everybody, this is Jeffrey again here at FlexArm. Just wanted to touch base with you on this week's ergonomic problem solving series. So what we have here is the top 3 ergonomic risk factors. We've got high repetition, forceful exertions, and we also have repetitive, sustained, awkward position. Hunched over, repeatedly coming up, down, bending, picking up, all that kind of stuff, wrapped into one category right there. So the big thing I want to talk about is this. Picking up one of these 1-inch impact is going to be really hard for me to sustain all day. So we're going to hit, if you got high repetition, this is going to kill me. A guy like my size, it's going to hurt real bad. Forceful exertions, 1-inch impact, I won't be able to control this all day. And then number 3, repetitive, awkward, sustained positions. If I got to hold this thing up, there's no way I can do that all day long. Maybe one time at most. So what we're doing here today is we're talking about things that we can solve for you. Give us a call, 419-738-8162.